Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Connie Marsola. I am 32 years old. I am married. I am Roman Catholic. I am college level. I lived in Tanawan, Batangas, Philippines. I work as domestic helper in Kuwait. I serve four members of the family. I taking care of children, 4 years old and 9 years old. I also work in Hong Kong. I serve four members of the family, one adult, one 15 years old children. I also work in Bahrain. I serve six members of the family. I taking care of children, 1 year old and 6 years old. And also, I work in Hong Kong again, three members of the family and two dogs. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of children, cooking the foods, cleaning the house, laundry, ironing, car washing, marketing. To my future employer in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise I will do my duties and responsibilities. I am hardworking, polite, honest, good manners. Thank you and God bless.